In partnership with the team at Adobe, here are the top 5 things you'll struggle to find anywhere else other than Adobe Express. Check it out with the link in the description. Before we get to the top 5, these are the things this list doesn't include: removing image and video backgrounds with the click of a button, comprehensive brand kits and libraries, a QR code creator which allows you to fully customize your QR codes to be on point and on brand, animating your audio files, SVG, JPEG and PNG file conversions, integration with Adobe's stock photography, and image and video resizing for all your social networks. At number 5, resizing any creative to fit your social media or output of choice. Add pages of any size and tweak them within a single file. At number 4, the crazy text effects option adds a layer of uniqueness you'd expect from Adobe for those standout creatives. At number 3, importing and enhancing all your PDFs means you can refresh old ones or export files from other platforms and still retain that PDF quality once edited. At number 2, the Adobe Express Text to Image function not only creates instant AI generated images, but gives you the ability to generate alternatives and edit the style and look of each image after they've been created. At number 1, linked assets. If you're using Photoshop or Illustrator, you can link all your amazing creatives like logos and images with Adobe Express, meaning if you change them in one place, they change everywhere. So no more scratching around through hundreds of creatives. You change it once, it's done. So check it out with the link in the description.